Welcome to TestBots Everywhere How series. In this series of tutorials, we explore how to efficiently use Robot Framework. In this first episode, we examine advanced method of using variables in Robot Framework. In test automation, we often want our test reports to be easily readable and our test code maintainable. One way to achieve this in Robot Framework is by using dedicated keywords for specific actions, which can improve report readability. However, this approach can lead to a large number of keywords, making the code harder to maintain, especially as more tests and keywords are introduced. To overcome this issue, we can make our keywords more dynamic by making them handle changing data. One way to do this is by using variables inside variables. This way, we can skip complex logic, and it allows for more efficient maintenance and easier expansion of test cases. In this tutorial, we will walk you through some examples and demonstrate step by step how to upgrade your automation game. Dictionaries allow us to store key-value pairs, making it even easier to manage and access data. With dictionaries, we can further reduce the number of keywords required and create more reusable and flexible test cases. By utilizing input parameters to determine the specific dictionaries we work with, we can execute multiple different inputs using just a single keyword. In this case, the keyword selects the address key from the new user page inputs dictionary, and then those same inputs retrieve the normal user value from the address for the new user page dictionary. Despite the keyword's ability to perform multiple tasks, the test report remains highly readable and easily understandable. With the use of dictionaries, it becomes simple to expand our existing dataset or create new ones while maintaining understandability and usability. Adding more data to existing dictionaries does not complicate our test cases as the structure remains clear and organized. Even when introducing a keyword for pressing various buttons on different pages, we can apply the same approach, requiring only one keyword to manage everything. This method offers the advantage of being easily comprehensible without the need to run the test to understand what it is doing and where it's performing the action. By employing dictionaries and dynamic keyword design, we can create highly versatile test cases that scale easily and provide a clear understanding of the purpose, making the test automation process more efficient and maintainable. And that was the first part of this episode. To set us apart from most tutorials, we will be doing a follow-up on each episode, providing a more in-depth examples based on your questions. So if you'd like to see how this would work in your specific case, feel free to comment and ask. We're here to help tailor our content to your needs. Please don't forget to follow and like this tutorial to receive future updates on our content. Your support helps us continue creating informative and helpful tutorials for the community. See you next episode.